Winter tog season is often spent offshore on charter boats or on party boats like I'm on today. Today I'm on the Osprey heading out of Atlantic City, and it's going to be a grind for me, but as you can see, people next to me and all around me, they have a day. So we're a couple of hours into the trip at this point, and I'm really not getting much of anything. I actually haven't even had a bite yet, and finally the guy next to me who's fishing a jig is able to pull in a decent sized tog right there. It's going to be a borderline keeper, but it does keep at 15 inches. He's fishing a jig. I wish I could fish a jig, but the current on this day was just wicked. So the few guys that were throwing jigs out are having a tough time with crossing lines, a lot of tangles. So I just decided I'm going to go with an 8-ounce Belmar rig, fishing 2 hooks, and trying to keep my line where it should be. And it's not that easy. You see, it's going to get tangled up in a little bit with somebody, but the guy next to him is now bringing in a decent fish. So maybe it's going to pick up. Maybe the bite's going to move up the rail. I got Bill off to my right. I got Perry to his right. On the other side of the boat is John and Jack, and we got to try to get something going. Just a grind so far.
More line in the
Just did. Trying to lead him back up this way.
Leave him in there so I can feed him.
Well done. They don't hate you anymore. They just hate us up here. We're just hoping they start moving up the rail for us.
And they do start moving up the rail. Right past me, right past Bill, and on up to Perry.
There it is. How'd they skip us?
Yeah, right. Went right by us.
Oh, that just popped? Oh. That just popped right off.
So the grind continues, and people around me continue to get things, so it's just a matter of time for me.
Got another one over there. There you go. We're also touching here, bud.
So this clip really shows the difficulty of fishing a jig on a day with a current like we had on this one. The guy with the fish on right now has a jig on. It was a small 2-ounce one, and in order to get down to the bottom and keep his line semi-close to himself, he had to toss up towards the front, so he's actually crossing our lines and letting it drift down. Now most of the time they didn't get tangled.
Nice.
This time got a very minor twist on it. The mate's going to do a really good job getting the fish in and getting us untangled here.
Let out a little line. That is. He's showing us up. He's pretending the tog didn't like him earlier, but
Is that last one again?
oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Gave it, oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Either he's the Kool-Aid man in disguise.
Oh yeah. I'm the jealous one next to the guy who caught it. Not in disguise.
I've been that guy.
Yeah. I'm quite often that guy.
It happens.
And now finally, it's my turn.
Small guy. That's not impressive. That is a swinger and a half. It's something.
So this one's going to measure out at only 14 and a half, so it's a toss back. But we got John with the camera on today too, and he had a little bit more action on the other side of the boat, so let's jump over there.
Ah, the 731, okay.
Yeah, 731. That's what that was on top? No. It didn't feel right.
It's not right. It's not the one. Give me a little pump, but it's not. That don't feel right. Skate. Do your thing. You're good.
Alright guys, we'll give this another few minutes here. It seems like our wind is shifting here.
Yeah. Ah, yes, baby! That's a knock. Ah, this is wrong. It's wrong. Where the dog? Yeah, that's what it was. Followed up was biting it. Son of a bitch. That's my second. I got you. That felt weird as shit.
So now with the nuisance fish out of the way, it's time for Johnny to get on something nice, and on this drop, he's going to do it.
And 8-pounder. It's an all quality fish too. Yeah, that's why I say he's probably one of the best ones you can get. Steven puts his time in. That feels right too. Yep. Yes. Take it. Yeah. That keeps for sure, baby. Get my groove back, boys. Get my groove back. Casper, get in here. After the relief, if you're like 10 feet out, there's another fish in there though. There was one bigger, it was heading out.
For more videos on catching tog, click on the playlist popping up on the screen or the video, and I'll see you in the next one.